Stop scrolling. Most Americans don't check their credit reports, and it's silently costing them thousands. Even a small error can lower your score, increase interest rates, or block you from getting loans. Today, I'll show you how to check and fix your credit report for free, legally, before banks even see it. Your credit report controls mortgage approvals, car loans, credit card limits, and interest rates. Mistakes on your report can silently cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Most people don't know you are legally entitled to one free credit report per year from each bureau: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. The official government-authorized site is annualcreditreport.com, the only free and safe source. Errors happen all the time, like wrong addresses, old accounts, or even someone else's debt. Be careful, fake sites exist online that try to charge you. Here's the exact step-by-step. Step 1. Go to annualcreditreport.com, the official government-authorized site. Step 2. Request your reports from all 3 bureaus. Step 3. Check for errors, wrong balances, late payments, or accounts that aren't yours. Step 4. If you find mistakes, dispute them directly with the bureau online. Step 5. Follow up. Corrections usually take 30 to 45 days. Doing this regularly can protect your credit score and save money on loans and interest. Most Americans lose money because they never check their credit reports. Now you know the secret: a free, legal, government-authorized way to see your reports before banks do. For more hidden tricks, tools, and secrets that protect your money and life, subscribe now to Circuit of Secrets, because the more you know, the harder it is to lose.